Welcome to Self-Improvement Academy. Grow yourself every day with Coco Shungsun. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. 5 steps to accomplishing your goals. Like most people, you probably took inventory at the beginning of the year and made plans and goals for the year. Yet, the experts say that 30% of the people who make New Year's resolutions have given up by February. 1 and over half will concede defeat by July. Why does this happen? It happens because a resolution, by definition, is simply the expression of an opinion, will, or intent. It is not a goal. Resolutions also tend to be very vague. Example: this year I resolve that I will get a better job, or this year I resolve to be a better person. Let me give you an analogy. In some ways, a resolution is like the canvas of a tent, while the goals are like the poles and stakes. You can't expect to raise a tent without the poles and stakes to support it. Likewise, you can't expect to fulfill on a resolution without having goals to support them. Using the tent analogy, those that are truly successful in raising a tent have probably also reviewed a list of instructions that told them in what order to complete specific tasks. In our resolutions and goals example, this would be the action plan. The action plan is the roadmap that will tell you what needs to be done and when to do it in order to achieve your goals and fulfill your resolutions. Use this 5-step process, and you can beat the odds and achieve the success you deserve. 1. Analyze what you wish to accomplish. Think about what is most important to you. Look at where you are today and determine where it is you want to go. 2. Identify your key objectives. Rank order them, and limit yourself to no more than 3. 5 if you must. 3. Create an action plan. This is where you say, here's what I plan to do and here's how I plan to do it. This must be written using SMART goals, which are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and timely. X. Resolution: I will lose weight this year. SMART goal: I will walk for 30 minutes 3 times a week beginning on February 1st. 4. Prioritize your plan. This is where you say, here's the order that I plan to do them in. Use the 20/80 rule and focus on the 20% of the tasks that will produce 80% of the results. 5. Implement your plan. This is where you say, here's how I will put my plan into practice. Then do it. This should include a regular review and celebration process. Weekly is best but no less than monthly. If you follow these simple steps, you will not only to be able to accomplish your goals, but keep your New Year's resolutions. Good luck. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24x7.com. Coco Shungsun pays you to have fun. cocoshungsun.net